Hi, welcome back to my channel. I just went to Sephora and picked up some items. It was really weird experience now that we're in COVID and we have to wear masks all the time. I felt like they didn't even want me in there, but I went in and browsed around. I just want to show you all the items I picked up that I thought were fun, and I'll do like a mini unboxing to show you what all the items look like. And then I will be making more videos about each product individually after I get a chance to try it and see how it is. That way I can let you know if I recommend it or not. A lot of these are minis and sample sizes. It's a great way to make sure that you like the product before you really invest in it. I got the Glow Sunscreen by Super Goop. This is SPF 40 Broad Spectrum Sunscreen SPF 40 PA++++. So the description is Glow Screen. SPF 40 is a lightweight pearlescent formula that hydrates the skin while acting as a luminous makeup gripping primer. SPF hack. It also doubles as a highlighter wherever you want an extra dose of sunshine. I couldn't decide if I wanted the invisible one or the glow one. I actually went with the glow one this time because they were out of the invisible. Currently I'm looking for products that really hydrate and make my skin really bright and nourished looking. And it's really cute. It says get your glow on, and it has this, comes in this packaging. It's actually a little bit pearlescent, white and yellow, very summery. This one is actually the full size. They didn't have a sample size, but it's 1.7 ounces, so I can still travel with it. I also got the Georgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. This is also a regular size. I've been really wanting to try it, and this is actually why I had to go to Sephora. I kept wanting to buy it online, and then I realized there's no way I'm gonna be able to know what my skin color is and what color to get. So I went in and had them match me. They matched me to 5.1 or 5,1. This says Perfect Glow Flawless Foundation. Then you take this off and it's just a little pump, and the top goes on really nice, and it has the little Giorgio Armani logo. So I also got the Gisou Honey Infused Hair Oil, Negan Mirachelli, and it's really cute. It has like flowers everywhere. I've been seeing this a lot online, so I wanted to try it myself. I love hair oils. If you haven't already, I've done a review on Kerastase Elixir Team. You can check that one out, and I'm really curious how this one compares to that. Honey sounds interesting because honey is typically really sticky, so I'm so curious how this is as an oil. And it's so cute, little mini hair oil, 0.7 ounces, so I can definitely travel with it. And it has a little dropper to put the hair oil into your hand. So the next thing I got is Kora Organic's Instant Facial Glow on the Go Turmeric Brightening Exfoliating Mask and Noni Glow Face Oil. I've been really wanting to try this exfoliating mask. I've been really into masks lately. So this is what the mask looks like. It's Kora Organics. Really pretty sort of bronze shiny color. And then this is the mini face oil. I've been using some face tools, so the face oil really does help them glide a little more. So I got 2 mini Glam Glow masks. I'm really trying to just hydrate my skin. Also, I can't get in to see my facialist, which is really annoying, so I'm taking it into my own hands and trying all these products out. I got the Blue Hollywood California Glam Glow Thirsty Mud Hydrating Treatment, Glam Glow Gravity Mud Firming Treatment. I'm really excited to try these. These are 2 little mini sizes. They were $25 each, so I'm not sure if it's a better deal. I've been dying to try the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. So I got the little mini lip kit. Really cute. It comes with a lip liner and the lipstick. I just love mini lipsticks. They're so cute and they last years anyways. Now I just kind of buy mini lipsticks and I can always just buy another one if I use it really fast. So this is a pretty good size pencil. And then this is the lipstick, though it's about as big as my finger, a little less. Really excited to try this one out and see how it is. And then the last one is This was sort of a last minute pickup. I saw it in the line. I was debating between this foundation and the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. So I decided just to pick one up. This is Hollywood Flawless Filter by Charlotte Tilbury. And I picked up 4.5 medium, so I'm not sure if it's gonna be too dark, but I think when I'm tanning, it'll be perfect. So this unscrews off. You have a little applicator that you can just put on directly onto your face. So it's called Hollywood Flawless Filter for a Superstar Youth Glow. I will be using these in the next couple weeks, and then look out for more videos about each product individually. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time.